हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू आवर चैनल नीट एनसीईआरटी बायोलॉजी। आज की इस वीडियो में हम देखेंगे एनटीए अभ्यास मॉक टेस्ट नंबर 73 के क्वेश्चंस और उसके आंसर्स। ये वीडियो सिर्फ क्विक रिवीजन के लिए है। डिटेल वीडियो फिजिक्स केमिस्ट्री एंड बायो आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में मिल जाएंगे। वहाँ से आप डिटेल वीडियो ऑफ फिजिक्स केमिस्ट्री एंड बायो देख सकते हैं। बिना डिटेल वीडियो देखे या बिना क्वेश्चन अटैम्प्ट किए आप ये वीडियो देखेंगे तो उतना ज़्यादा फ़ायदा नहीं होगा, इसलिए आप पूरा वीडियो देखकर या अटैम्प्ट करके ही इस वीडियो को देखें। एनटीए अभ्यास के सारे मॉक टेस्ट अवेलेबल हैं, उसके लिए आप डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स चेक कर लें। ओके, और इस मॉक टेस्ट का भी पीडीएफ आपको हमारे टेलीग्राम चैनल नीट एनसीईआरटी बायोलॉजी पे मिल जाएगा। तो पहले हम यहाँ स्टार्ट करेंगे बायो से, उसके बाद आएंगे केमिस्ट्री, उसके बाद फिजिक्स पे। अगर इस वीडियो क्वालिटी आपको लो लगे तो आप वीडियो डोर एप्लीकेशन डाउनलोड कर लें और वीएलसी मीडिया प्लेयर चलाएंगे तो आपको फुल स्क्रीन में ये दिखेगा पोर्ट्रेट मोड में। उसके लिए जो लिंक है वो आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में मिल जाएंगे। क्वेश्चन फर्स्ट है बायो का यहाँ पे। व्हाट इज करेक्ट अबाउट द एक्सोलीमा बिफोर अक्वायरिंग द स्टेज ऑफ डीपोलराइजेशन? आंसर इज बी, पॉजिटिव आउटसाइड resting stage of neuron, high concentration of K plus and negatively charged proteins and low concentration of Na plus in exoplasm. In contrast, the fluid outside the axon contains a low concentration of K plus, a high concentration of Na plus and thus form a concentration gradient. These ionic gradients across the resting membrane are maintained by the sodium potassium pump, which actively transports 3Na plus outwards for 2K plus into the cell. Outer surface of sarcolemma positively charged, inner surface negatively charged, membrane is polarized. Find the number of correct match in the following. First, cancer cell lose contact inhibition. Second, crack or coke usually snorted. Third, hashish cannabinoid smoking causes lymphoma, तो ये गलत होगा, emphysema कॉज करता है। फिफ्थ, हेपेटाइटिस बी ट्रांसमिटेड बाय सेक्सुअल कॉन्टैक्ट एंड नीडल्स, ये भी सही है। तो यहाँ पे फोर जो है गलत है, बाकी सारे सही हैं, इसलिए आंसर होगा बी, फोर। Statement 4 is incorrect. Smoking causes bronchitis, emphysema, and lung cancer. Most common type of lung cancer is bronchogenic carcinoma, 90%. The passage through which movement of RNA and protein molecules takes place in both directions is answer A, nuclear pore. Material can move in and out of the nucleus through the nuclear pore, especially the RNA molecule is synthesized in the nucleolus, and for protein synthesis in the cytoplasm, they come out through the nuclear pore of the nucleus. The synthesized protein moves to the nucleus to perform replication, transcription, etc. Plasmodesmata are the small pores in the plant where the movement of all the molecules takes place. They are the place for communication between plant cells. Kinetochores are proteinaceous structure present at the side of the centromere for the attachment of a spindle fiber during cell division. Read the statements A to D. P. Sesamoid joint is a type of fibrous joint between cranial bones. Q. IDDM is an autoimmune disorder. For R. Tetany is characterized by rapid spasm in nerve. How many of the following statements are false? तो यहाँ पे जो है टू स्टेटमेंट फॉल्स है। सिस्मोइड बोन इज टाइप ऑफ फाइब्रस ज्वाइंट, तो फाइब्रस ज्वाइंट नहीं होते हैं। Sesamoid bones are small rounded bones that are embedded in tendons. These bones are commonly found in tendons of hands, knees, and feet. For example, patella is a sesamoid bone. Fibrous joints are present in the cranial bone. So हमारा ये जो ऑप्शन जो पी है स्टेटमेंट वो गलत है, और जो आर स्टेटमेंट है वो भी गलत है, क्योंकि टेटेनी जो है वो करेक्टराइज्ड होते हैं हमारे रैपिड स्पाज्म में, नर्व नहीं मसल में होते हैं। टेटेनी इज caused ड्यू टू involuntary contraction of muscles which may caused by disease or other conditions that increases the action potential frequency of muscle cells or the nerves that innervate them. Tetany is characterized by contraction of distal muscles of the hands and feet, is associated with tingling around the mouth and distantly in the lips. The usual cause of tetany is lack of calcium, and excess of phosphate. High phosphate to calcium ratio can also trigger the spasms. Identify the antibody on the basis of following information. फर्स्ट एग्जिस्ट एज मोनोमर, सेकेंड हाईएस्ट इन कंसंट्रेशन इन ब्लड, तो आंसर हमारा ई होगा IgG। द 5 different types of antibodies which are secreted by plasma cells in our body, their concentrations are IgG monomer 60 to 75%, IgA dimer 10% और IgM पेंटामर। ये जो क्वेश्चन आ गया था पिछले टेस्ट में आया था, उसमें स्ट्रक्चर भी दिया हुआ था। तो दो दो क्वेश्चन आ चुके हैं IgM से। IgM पेंटामर 5 to 10%, IgD मोनोमर 2 to 3%, IgE मोनोमर लेस देन 1%। In the stem of a typical dicot plant, pericycle exists in the form of patches. These patches are formed by answer C, sclerenchymatous cells. Sclerenchymatous patches are present outside the vascular bundle in dicot stem and is called bundle cap. Bundle cap is derived from the pericycle. Thus, pericycle is present as patches of sclerenchyma as bundle cap. Select the incorrect statement. Bipolar neuron has only one dendrite. B. Pia mater is in contact of brain. Afferent fibers carry impulses from CNS to peripheral tissues. Granule bodies are found in dendrites of neuron. तो आंसर हमारा सी जो है इनकरेक्ट होगा। Afferent fibers carry impulses from CNS to peripheral tissue. ओके, तो afferent नहीं efferent होते हैं, जो एग्जिस्ट करते हैं वो efferent होते हैं। ओके, efferent fibers carry impulses from CNS to peripheral tissue. Okay, types of neurons basis of number of axon and dendrites रहे। unipolar neuron number of dendrites 0, number of axon 1, dendrites plus axon 1 found in embryonic stage। Second, bipolar neuron number of dendrites 1, number of axon 1 or dendrite plus axon 2 found in retina। Third, multipolar neuron number of dendrite 2 or more, number of axon 1, dendrite plus axon many found in cerebral cortex। Which species of Plasmodium is responsible for the most common type of malaria in India? Answer A, Plasmodium vivax. The most common species of Plasmodium is Plasmodium vivax, which causes benign tertian malaria. The least common species of Plasmodium is P. ovale, which causes mild tertian malaria. Which set of hormones is secreted by anterior pituitary? Answer C, TSH and mammotrophic hormone. Hormones of neurohypophysis are synthesized in hypothalamus. Hormones secreted by adrenohypophysis is A. Pars distalis anterior pituitary, first growth hormone, prolactin, thyroid stimulating hormone, adrenocorticotropic hormone, luteinizing hormone, and follicle stimulating hormone. Pars intermedia melanocyte stimulating hormone. 10. Corcombium is an example of lateral meristem. Second, in Young's dicot stem, cambium present in patches as a single layer between xylem and phloem. Third, interfascicular cambium and intrafascicular cambium combinedly form cambial ring. In the given statement which the following are correct? तो आंसर हमारा डी होगा, तीनों जो है वो करेक्ट हैं। Intrafascicular cambium is present in between xylem and phloem of vascular bundle. It combines with interfascicular cambium to form complete vascular cambium ring. Both vascular cambium and core cambium are example of lateral meristem and contribute to secondary growth. Select the incorrect match. Answer D, cortisol, peptide, not peptide hormone, it is steroid hormone. Okay. Types of hormone on the basis of chemical nature: peptide, polypeptide, protein hormones, insulin, glucagon, pituitary hormones, thymosin and hypothalamic hormones। स्टेरॉइड्स में आते हैं कॉर्टिसोल, आते हैं टेस्टोस्टेरोन, स्टेरॉइडल और प्रोजेस्टेरॉन, और आयोडोथायरोनिन्स में आते हैं थायराइड हार्मोन। एमिनो एसिड डेरिवेटिव में आते हैं इपिनेफ्रिन। Which of the following set of reproductive organs are external genitalia of male and female? Answer A, glans, penis and clitoris. Penis or glans penis of male is homologous to Clitoris of female eyes both are highly erectile and sensitive structure. Bartholin's gland is in female is homologous to bulbourethral gland of male to secrete um, mucus to provide lubrication. External genitalia of female include mons pubis, labia majora, labia minora, hymen, and clitoris. Read the following statements. A. Zona reticulata forms the inner layer of adrenal cortex. B. Insulin is a peptide hormone secreted by beta cells of pancreas in pancreatic juice. C. Parathormone of thyroxine are antagonistic. Parathormone and thyroxine are एंटागोनिस्टिक हार्मोन। तो आंसर यहाँ कह रहा है हाउ मेनी स्टेटमेंट्स आर इनकरेक्ट, कितने गलत हैं। तो आंसर हमारा सी होगा, दो स्टेटमेंट जो यहाँ पे गलत है। ओके, in pancreatic juice is liquid secreted by the pancreas which contain a variety of enzymes including trypsinogen, chymotrypsinogen, elastase, carboxypeptidase, pancreatic lipase, nucleases, and amylase. Insulin is a peptide hormone secreted by beta cells of pancreas directly into the blood. Parath hormone and calcitonin are antagonistic hormone. तो ये हमारा सी जो स्टेटमेंट है वो गलत हो गया, और बी भी हमारा यहाँ गलत होगा। पैनक्रियाटिक जूस से जो है इंसुलिन नहीं होते हैं सिगरेट। तो बी और सी गलत है, ए सही है। 14, रिप्रोडक्शन इन बैक्टीरिया इज शोन इन फॉलोइंग डायग्राम, सेलेक्ट द करेक्ट मैच। ओके, तो यहाँ पे बी जो ऑप्शन है वो सही है। मोड ऑफ रिप्रोडक्शन है वो बाइनरी फिजन होते हैं, और कंडीशन फेवरेबल कंडीशन में ही होते हैं बैक्टीरिया में। ओके, reproduction mainly by fusion during favorable conditions. These also reproduce by spore formation during unfavorable conditions, or by primitive type of DNA transfer from one bacteria to another. Heterotrophs are most abundant in in nature. They also play important role in curdling of milk, production of antibiotics, nitrogen fixation in legumes, etc. Read the statements given below. First, the first movement of the fetus are usually observed during 7th month of pregnancy. ओके, तो ये हमारा गलत होगा, 7 मंथ पे फर्स्ट मूवमेंट नहीं होते हैं। सेकंड यहाँ पे है अम्बिलिकल कॉर्ड possesses 100% fetal blood. ओके, तो ये भी गलत है, 100% नहीं होते हैं। थर्ड, एट पुबर्टी इन फीमेल ओवरी कंटेन अबाउट 60,000 to 80,000 प्राइमरी फॉलिकल्स। ये हमारा सही है, चूज द करेक्ट ऑप्शन कर रहा है, तो यहाँ पे थर्ड जो है सही है, बाकी सारे गलत हैं। द बेबी मोमेंट कॉल्ड क्यूकेनिंग इज सेंसर्ड अराउंड 80 to 20 weeks of pregnancy. Umbilical cord possesses 50% of fetal blood and 50% of maternal blood. The umbilical cord is a tube that connects the mother and the baby during pregnancy, which with their blood vessels, one vein that carries food and oxygen in the maternal body from the placenta to baby, and two arteries that carry waste from the fetus baby back to the placenta. The primary oocyte is surrounded by a layer of granulosa cells to form primary follicle, and large number of these follicles degenerate during from birth to puberty. Hence, at the time of puberty, only 60,000 to 80,000 are left in each ovary. Aristotle classified plants into herbs, shrubs, and trees on the basis of morphology. Second, Linnaeus' two-system classification was based on presence or absence of cell wall. Third, R.H. Whittaker include heterotrophic and chitinous cell wall organism in animals. तो थर्ड यहाँ पे इनकरेक्ट है, बाकी वन फर्स्ट और सेकंड यहाँ पे सही होंगे। Aristotle was the earliest to attempt a more scientific basis for classification. He used simple morphological characters to classify plants into trees, shrubs, and herbs. He also divided animals into two groups, those which had red blood and those that did not. In Linnaeus' time, a two-kingdom system of classification with Plantae and Animalia kingdoms was developed that included all plants and animals respectively. This system did not distinguish between the eukaryotes and prokaryotes, unicellular and multicellular organisms, and photosynthetic green algae and non-photosynthetic fungi. organisms. Menstrual cycle is ceased during pregnancy is due to negative feedback of answer D, progesterone. After fertilization, the corpus luteum and later on placenta also secretes large amount of progesterone, which is essential to maintain endometrium for implantation and other pregnancy conditions. Which of the following is not related with kingdom Protista? First, chief producers in the ocean are diatoms. Second, some members show bioluminescence. Third, these include golden algae. And fourth, many members are multicellular. ओके, तो आंसर हमारा डी होगा। फोर्थ जो है वो नॉट रिलेटेड टू प्रोटिस्टा है, क्योंकि जो सारे मेंबर्स होते हैं जितने भी यूनिसेलुलर यूकैरियोट्स हैं वो आते हैं प्रोटिस्टा में, तो इन मल्टी सेलुलर का बात ही नहीं होगा। क्राइजोफाइट्स, डाइनोफ्लैगेलेट्स, इग्लोनोइड्स, स्लाइम मोल्ड्स एंड प्रोटोजोअन्स आर placed under the kingdom Protista. Members of Protista are primarily aquatic. Diatoms are chief producers of the ocean, and dinoflagellates are known to release some toxic substances. All single-celled eukaryotes are placed under this kingdom. The cross that leads to the production of the hinny is आंसर बी होगा, फीमेल डंकी और मेल हॉर्स। ओके, mule is a sterile hybrid produced from mating between male donkey and female horse mare. Hinny is another sterile hybrid produced from mating male horse stallion and female donkey. सेलेक्ट द इनकरेक्ट मैच विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू फंजाई। ओके, तो आंसर हमारा डी होगा। क्लास एस्कोमाइसिटीज, मेंबर पफ बॉल्स, ट्रफल्स, क्लेविसेप्स, कॉमन नेम सैक फंजाई, तो ये हमारा जो है गलत है, इनकरेक्ट। बाकी ये भी सही है। क्लास फाइकोमाइसिटीज, मेंबर म्यूकर एल्बिगो, कॉमन नेम एक्वेटिक हैबिटेट, कॉमन नेम एक्वेटिक हैबिटेट, यहाँ पे प्रिंटिंग मिस्टेक हो सकता है। बी, क्लास बैसिडियोमाइसिटीज, मेंबर रस्ट एंड स्मट, कॉमन नेम क्लब फंजाई, ड्यूटेरोमाइसिटीज, ट्राइकोडर्मा क्लेडोट्राइकम, कॉमन नेम इनपरफेक्ट फंजाई। ओके, तो यहाँ पे commonly known as sac fungi, the ascomycetes are mostly multicellular. Example penicillium, or rarely unicellular. Example yeast Saccharomyces. They are saprophytic, decomposers, parasitic, or coprophilous, growing on dung. Mycelium is branched and septate. Some examples are Aspergillus, Claviceps, and Neurospora. Neurospora is used extensively in biochemical and genetic work. Morels and truffles are edible fungi. Puff balls belongs to Basidiomycetes. ओके, तो यहाँ पे जो है कॉमन नेम फाइकोमाइसिटीज का आपको कमेंट बॉक्स में लिखना है। ओके, अगर आप सही लिखते हैं, अगर एनसीईआरटी में भी दिया हुआ होगा, तो आपको अगले जो है वीडियो में आपका नाम लिया जाएगा। ओके, इसलिए ज़रूर लिखना, जो जो सही देंगे उनका अगले वीडियो में नाम लिखा जाएगा। 21. Which of the following correctly related with given or diagram? ओके, फर्स्ट यहाँ पे सीक्वेंस ऑफ सेल साइकिल G1 S G2 and M phase. सेकेंड, a cell exists G1 phase to enter an inactive stage, quiescent stage, or G0. Third, G1 phase is the interval between mitosis and initiation of DNA replication. फोर्थ, यहाँ पे in G1 phase DNA synthesis occurs. तो करेक्टली जो रिलेटेड है हमारा 1 2 3 है। 4 जो हमारा गलत होगा, G1 फेज में जो होता है, इस फेज में डीएनए सिंथेसिस होता है, G1 फेज में नहीं। The cell cycle is divided into two basic phases, A interphase, B M phase, mitosis phase. The M phase starts with the nuclear division, corresponding to the separation of daughter chromosomes, karyokinesis, and usually ends with division of cytoplasm, cytokinesis. The interphase, called the resting phase, is the time during which the cell is preparing for division by undergoing both cell growth and DNA replication in an orderly manner. What is correct about the test tube baby program? Answer will be D, both A and C. यानी कि A है यहाँ पे the fertilization of ovum which sperms occur outside the female body in the laboratory, और C है in vitro fertilization is followed by embryo transfer into fallopian tube or uterus of female. In the test tube baby program, an ovum is collected from the wife donor female and sperms are collected from husband donor and are induced to form zygote under simulated conditions in the laboratory. How many of the given statements are correct? A. National Botanical Institute is located at Lucknow. Okay, सही है. Monographs help in identification of correct species. C. Muscida is the order of housefly. Okay. Examples of some famous botanical garden है Botanical Garden at Kew, England, Indian Botanical Garden, Howrah, India, और National Botanical Research Institute, Lucknow, India. Few means for recording the description are also helpful in the process of identification of correct specimen. Example: flora, manuals, monographs, and catalogs. In monographs, description of single taxon is given. Muscida is the family of housefly. Okay, तो यहाँ पे ऑर्डर नहीं होगा. मस्कीडा हाउस फ्लाई का ऑर्डर क्या होगा आप कमेंट बॉक्स में ज़रूर बताएं. ठीक है. AZT 3-azuro 2-3 deoxythymine is used in the treatment of answer B AIDS. One of the problems in treating AIDS is the HIV can lie undetected in body cells. In addition, HIV can infect a variety of cells, including those in the central nervous system that are protected by the blood-brain barrier. Addition to this is the problem of opportunistic infections, which may be very difficult to treat. Any therapy must overcome the problem that antiviral agents may also harm host cells. To date, 4 drugs with similar action are used to inhibit HIV replication and slow the progression of AIDS. All are nucleoside analogous substances that are similar to naturally occurring nucleoside is RNA and DNA. They block conversion of retroviral RNA into DNA. The first and still most commonly used drug to treat AIDS is AZT, azithromycin और रेट्रोवीर. और AZT के बारे में आपको केमिस्ट्री में मिल जाएंगे. केमिस्ट्री एंड एवरीडे लाइफ के इंट्रोडक्शन में ही बताया गया है कि एड्स का जो ट्रीटमेंट होता है वो AZT से होता है. बायो में नहीं है. Microfilaments are involved in answer D all of these यानी साइक्लोसिस वाइड मूवमेंट फरो फॉर्मेशन ड्यूरिंग सेल डिवीजन. ओके, तो ये भी क्वेश्चन जो है रिपीट कर चुका है. माइक्रोफिलामेंट्स आर इन्वॉल्व इन द प्रोसेस ऑफ सेल डिवीजन बाय द फॉर्मेशन ऑफ क्लीवेज फरो in animal cells. The cell streaming or amoeboid movement is mediated by these cycloskeletal elements. 26. Mitochondria and chloroplast possesses a small and circular non-histone DNA. Second, mesosomes are extension of plasma membrane. Third, quasi-fluid nature of lipid enables flip-flop movement of proteins at a specific place. Four, components of endomembrane system associated with secretion, packaging of material and capable of digestion of several macroorganic compounds. फ्रॉम द गिवन इनकरेक्ट स्टेटमेंट इज आर. तो यहाँ पे थर्ड जो है स्टेटमेंट है इनकरेक्ट है. क्वासी फ्लूइड नेचर ऑफ लिपिड इनेबल्स फ्री फ्लॉप मोमेंट ऑफ प्रोटीन्स एट स्पेसिफिक प्लेस, वो हमारा गलत है. द क्वासी फ्लूइड नेचर ऑफ लिपिड हेल्प्स इन द लैटरल मोमेंट ऑफ प्रोटीन नॉट फ्लिप फ्लॉप through the membrane by layer. The protein can move through the membrane and not only at a specific places. Mitochondria and plastids are semi-autonomous organelles as they have DNA similar to bacteria and partially depend on nucleus. Endomembrane system comprises of ER, Golgi, vacuole, lysosomes, etc. Which of the following statement is correct about cyclostomata? Answer B. Mouth is suctorial without jaws. Mouth is ventral, suctorial and circular. The tongue is with denticles. Hence, the class is called cyclostomata. Cyclos means circular and stomata means mouth. They have a sucking and circular mouth without jaws. All living members of cyclostomes are ectoparasites on some fishes. 5 to 6 pairs of gills are present in lateral sac-like pouches of pharynx. While gill slits are 1 to 16 pairs, the male salamander genus Embylostoma are a group that are endemic to North America. Synaptonemal complex is visible from answer C, zygotine to packatine. During zygotine of prophage first, chromosomes start pairing together and this process of association is called synapsis. Such paired chromosomes are called homologous chromosomes. Electron micrograph of this stage indicate that chromosome synapsis is accompanied by the formation of complex structure called synaptonemal complex. The complex formed by a pair of synapsed homologous chromosomes is called a bivalent or a tetrad. However, these are more clearly visible at the next stage, that is packaging. In the given diagram, typical coordinate plane is given. Identify A and B. Okay, so here A is nerve code and B is notochord respectively. Members possess three fundamental coordinate characters at any stage of life. First, notochord, solid mesodermal, and later on develop into vertebral column. Second, dorsal hollow nerve cord or dorsal tubular nerve cord or neural tube, hollow ectodermal, and later on develop into CNS, central nervous system. Third, pharyngeal gill slits, bilaterally symmetrical, organ system level, triploblastic, and eucoelomate. Which of the following statement is incorrect? Answer A. In India, about 5,000 varieties of mangoes are found. यह स्टेटमेंट गलत है, बाकी बी सी डी सही है. Among vertebrates, more than half of the species belong to fishes. In India is one of the 12 mega diversity countries of the world. Ecological diversity in India is more diverse than Norway. Okay. Genetic diversity. At the genetic level, a single species may show high diversity over its distributional range. Example 1, Rolfia vomitoria, a medicinal plant growing in different Himalayan ranges, show genetic variation in terms of potency and concentration of the active chemical reserpine produced by the plant. Example 2, in India, more than 50,000 genetically different strains of rice are found, and in India, more than 1,000 varieties of mango are found. Okay, 5,000 नहीं. मैच द कॉलम विथ 1 and 2. ओके, तो यहाँ पे स्ट्रेलोपिथेकस होगा फर्स्ट यानी कि एपमैन. होमो इरेक्टस का थर्ड यानी लार्ज कैरियर कैपेसिटी इक्वल टू 900 सीसी. सी का सेकंड निडरथल मैन का बिलीव इन बाई ब्यूरियल सिस्टम. और डी का फोर क्रो मैग्नोन मैन. डी का फोर यानी कि केव पेंटिंग. Australopithecus is the ape man who have given rise to man. Homo erectus had a large brain around 900 cc. इसको याद रखना बहुत आसान है. होमो इरेक्टस है तो ई को अगर रिवर्स करेंगे तो 9 बन जाएगा, तो 900 सीसी हो जाएंगे. Cro-Magnon man was known for excellent cave art painting. The Neanderthal man used believed in the burial system. और Neanderthal man का जो क्रेनल कैपेसिटी होता है वो होता है हमारा 1400. इसका ट्रिक है N4 नाइट्रोजन, और N का जो मोलिकुलर वेट होता है वो 14 होता है, तो N 1400 कर सकते हैं. ऐसे आप याद रखें तो ज़्यादा याद रहेगा ज़्यादा दिन तक. What is the collective term for habitat loss and fragment, overexploitation, invasion of alien species and coextinction? तो ये आते हैं इविल क्वार्टेट में. The accelerated rates of species extinctions that the world is facing now are largely due to human activities. There are four major causes. The Abel quartet is the sobriquet used to describe them. In general, loss of biodiversity in a region may lead to decline in plant production. B. Lowered resistance to environmental perturbations such as drought. And C. Increased variability in certain ecosystem uh, processes such as plant productivity, water use, and pest and disease cycles. Select the correct match from the following. Answer A. Adaptive radiation, Australian marsupials. The best examples of adaptive radiations are Darwin finches and Australian marsupials. The Big Bang theory attempts to explain to us the origin of universe could have been occurred about 20 billion years ago. Origin of Earth 4.5 billion years ago. Most acceptable theory of origin of life is Oparin-Haldane theory. Which of the following is incorrect about the location of sacred groups in India? Answer A. Aravalli Hills, Uttar Pradesh. India has also a history of religious and cultural traditions that emphasize protection of nature. In many cultures, tracts of forests were set aside and all the trees and wildlife within were venerated and given total protection. Such sacred groves are found in Kasi and Jaintia hills in Meghalaya, Aravalli hills of Rajasthan, western Ghat regions of Karnataka and Maharashtra, and the Sarguja, Chanda and Bastar areas of Madhya Pradesh. In Meghalaya, the sacred groves are the last refuges for a large number of rare and threatened plants. Which of the following connotations are not true about the special creation theory of the origin of life? Answer C. There has been gradual evolution of life form. Not true. बाकी A B D सही है. All living organisms that we see today were created as such. The earth is about 4,000 years old and the diversity was always the same since creation and will remain same in future. ये सारे जो हैं स्पेशल क्रिएशन थ्योरी ऑफ लाइफ के थे. स्पेशल क्रिएशन थ्योरी स्टेटेड दैट all organisms that we see today were created as such. Second, the earth is about 4,000 years old. And third, diversity was always the same since creation and will remain same in the future also. The Western Ghats have a greater amphibian diversity than the Eastern Ghats. This is example of answer D, species diversity. Species diversity. The diversity at the species level, for example, the Western Ghats have a greater amphibian species diversity than the Eastern Ghats. Ecological diversity at the ecosystem level, India, for instance, with its deserts, rainforests, mangroves, coral reefs, wetlands, estuaries, and alpine meadows, has a great ecological diversity. Which set of factors can move the oxygen dissociation curve toward towards the right? Answer B. Low PO2 and low pH. According to Bode's effect, the factors which favors the dissociation of oxyhemoglobin to release oxygen at the tissue level and to shift the ODC into right side are low PO2 to high PCO2, high H plus, low pH and high temperature. 38. P. Formation of megaspore from the megaspore mother cell by meiosis is called. आंसर होगा बी फर्स्ट. यहाँ पे होगा मेगास्पोरोजेनेसिस. फॉर्मेशन ऑफ मेल गैमेट्स फ्रॉम द जनरेटिव सेल बाय माइटोसिस कॉल्ड गैमेटोजेनेसिस. Sporogenesis and gametogenesis are important events before the act of fertilization. Formation of megaspore is megasporogenesis and formation of microspore is microsporogenesis. The fusion of male and female gamete is known as amphimixis or syngamy. The generative cell is pollen divide. The generative cell in pollen divides mitotically to form male gametes and process is called gametogenesis. Trachea divides at the level of answer C, fifth thoracic vertebra. Trachea is a straight tube, also called windpipe, which extended up to the mid-thoracic cavity. It divides at the level of fifth thoracic vertebrae into right and left bronchi of primary bronchi. In flowering plants, arrange the following steps into their correct sequence. Okay, तो सबसे पहले बी होगा यानी कि मेगास्पोरोजेनेसिस. देन ए यानी फॉर्मेशन ऑफ एम्ब्रियो सैक. उसके बाद डी यानी फर्टिलाइजेशन. उसके बाद सी फॉर्मेशन ऑफ इंडोस्पर्म. देन लास्ट में आएगा डेवलपमेंट ऑफ एम्ब्रियो. Formation of megaspore is called megasporogenesis and megaspore germinates to form female gametophyte that is embryo sac. Embryo sac has egg that participates in fertilization and secondary nucleus of embryo sac leads to formation of PEN after double fertilization. Thus, endosperm formation is followed by embryo formation. फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स है तो यहाँ पे फिल करके रीड कर लेते हैं। आंसर होगा सी। इंटेस्टाइनल म्यूकोसा, अ पार्ट ऑफ एलिमेंट्री कैनाल, secretes enterokinase, an enzyme which converts trypsinogen into trypsin. The secretion of the brush bordered cells of the mucosa along with the secretion of the goblet cells constitute the intestinal juice or succus entericus. Intestinal mucosa also secretes enterokinase enzyme which convert inactive trypsinogen into active trypsin. Which of the following statements are correct regarding the development of embryo sac? First, the type of nuclear division is free in which there is no formation of the cell wall. Second, the out of the 8 nuclei, 6 are surrounded by a cell wall. Central cell situated below the egg apparatus. तो आंसर हमारा डी होगा, all are correct. The nucleus of functional megaspore divides mitotically to form two nuclei which move to the opposite poles, forming the two nucleate embryo sac. Two more sequential mitotic nuclear divisions result in the formation of four nucleate and later the eight nucleate stages of the embryo sac. It is of interest to note that these mitotic divisions are strictly free nuclear. There is a characteristic distribution of the cells within the embryo sac. uh, three cells are grouped together at the microvalve end and constitute the cell apparatus. Sorry, egg apparatus. The egg apparatus in turn consists of two synergids and one egg cell. Three cells are at the chelazal end and are called the antipodals. The large central cell, as mentioned earlier, has two polar nuclei. Thus, a typical angiosperm embryo sac at maturity, thou 8 nucleate in 7 celled. ओके, आते हैं नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 43 पे। सेलेक्ट द इनकरेक्ट स्टेटमेंट अबाउट द कॉर्टिकल नेफ्रॉन्स। ये जो है हमारा इनकरेक्ट होगा, दे दीज आर मेनली कंसर्न विथ यूरिन कंसंट्रेशन, तो ये हमारा गलत होगा। बाकी जो बी सी डी सही है। जो मेडुलरी नेफ्रॉन्स होते हैं जक्स्टा मेडुलरी, वो हमारे यूरिन कंसंट्रेशन में कंसर्न करते हैं। बी सी डी हमारे सही हैं। दीज हैव शॉर्टर लूप ऑफ हेनले, शॉर्टर ऑफ लूप हेनले, दे डू नॉट हैव मेजर रोल इन काउंटर करेंट मैकेनिज्म, दीज लैक एसोसिएशन विथ भाषा रेक्टा। Human kidney has about 85% cortical nephrons and about 15% juxtamedullary nephrons. Juxtamedullary nephrons have long loop of Henle which runs deep in medulla, well developed vasa recta and are mainly activated during shortage of water. यहाँ पे फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स तो फिल करके रीड कर लेते हैं। आंसर हमारा डी है और ये जो क्वेश्चन है पिछले मॉक टेस्ट में भी रिपीट कर चुका है। तो फर्स्ट यहाँ पे ट्रांसफर ऑफ पॉलन ग्रेन्स फ्रॉम द एंथर टू द स्टिग्मा ऑफ द सेम फ्लावर इज टर्म्ड एज ओटोगेमी। सेकेंड, ट्रांसफर ऑफ पॉलन ग्रेन्स फ्रॉम एंथर टू स्टिग्मा of another flower of same plant is termed as geitonogamy. Third, transfer of pollen grains from anther to stigma of different plant is termed as genogamy. ओके, नेक्स्ट आते हैं सेम टू सेम एक्सप्लेनेशन भी इसका। Read the following statements 1 to 4 about human heart. First, human heart is myogenic and our body has the ability to alter the heart rate, cardiac output but not a stroke volume. Second, P wave in ECG marks the arterial systole. Third, adrenal medullary hormones acts on SA node and increases heart rate. How many statements are correct from the above? तो आंसर हमारा सी होगा, यानी कि दो स्टेटमेंट यहाँ पे करेक्ट है। स्टेटमेंट जो वन है वो इनकरेक्ट है, यानी कि द बॉडी हैज एबिलिटी टू अल्टर द स्ट्रोक वॉल्यूम एज वेल एज द हार्ट रेट एंड देयर बाय द कार्डियक आउटपुट। सेलेक्ट द करेक्ट मैच। आंसर बी, वायोला ऑक्जैलिस क्रिस्टोगैमस फ्लावर। ये भी क्वेश्चन रिपीट कर चुका है पिछले मॉक टेस्ट में। Crystogamy ensures the pollination and flower is not dependent on any pollinating agents. Crystogamy is a type of automatic self-pollination of certain plants that can propagate by using non non-opening self-pollinating flowers, especially known in Oxalis viola and Commelina. In humans, blood passes from the postcaval to the diastolic right atrium of heart is due to answer D. Pressure difference between the postcaval and atrium. In human, blood passes from the postcaval to the diastolic right atrium of heart due to pressure difference between the postcaval and atrium. Read the following statements and choose the correct ones. A. In algae and fungi, both gametes are mostly non-motile. B. In most of the organisms, fertilization is external. C. In most of the organisms, female gamete is stationary. तो आंसर हमारा सी होगा। ओनली जो सी स्टेटमेंट है वो करेक्ट है, बाकी ए और बी गलत हैं। Being aquatic, algal members produce motile, flagellated and male gametes in green and brown alga. Female gametes in higher organisms is stationary and fertilization is internal. Which of the following is incorrect about the chromosomal theory of inheritance? आंसर हमारा बी होगा। पेयरिंग एंड सेपरेशन ऑफ अ पेयर ऑफ chromosomes lead to the segregation of a factor that they carried। ये हमारा गलत है, बाकी ए सी और डी सही है। जीन occurs in pair, behavior of chromosomes in is parallel to the behavior of genes। The two alleles of a genes pair are located on same gene locus। Sutton and Boveri argued that the pairing and separation of a pair of chromosomes would lead to the segregation of a pair of factors they carried. Sutton united the knowledge of chromosomal segregation with Mendelian principles and called it the chromosomal theory of inheritance. By 1902, the chromosome movement during meiosis had been worked out. Walter Sutton and Theodore Boveri noted that the behavior of chromosomes was parallel to the behavior of genes and used chromosome movement to explain Mendel's laws. The important things to remember that chromosomes as well as genes occur in pairs. The two alleles of a gene pair are located on homologous sites on homologous chromosomes. What is the main purpose of a test cross? Answer C. Determine the genotype type of a plant in F2 generation. Test crosses are used to test an individual's genotype by crossing it with an individual of a known genotype. Individuals that show the recessive phenotype are known to have a homozygous recessive genotype. Individuals that show the dominant phenotype, however, may either be homozygous dominant or heterozygous. Which of the following is associated with Alfred Sturtevant? Okay, answer A. Genetic map. Morgan Morgan's student Alfred Sturtevant used the frequency of recombination between gene pairs of the same chromosome as a measure of the distance between genes and mapped their position on the chromosome. Today, genetic maps are extensively used as a starting point in the sequencing of whole genomes, as was done in the case of the Human Genome Sequencing Project. In which of the following chromosomal disorders do we observe the features like a long furrowed tongue and short stature? ऐसा हमारा ये होगा डाउन सिंड्रोम। और पिछले हर मॉक टेस्ट में ये क्वेश्चन आ ही जाता है डाउन सिंड्रोम में। ओके, तो उसे बहुत अच्छे से पढ़ लें डाउन सिंड्रोम के बारे में। जितने भी क्रोमोजोमल डिसऑर्डर्स है, मेंडेलियन डिसऑर्डर्स है, इंपॉर्टेंट है ही। 53. Sahiwal cows in Punjab were developed through answer A. Artificial selection and domestication from ancestral wild cows. Sahiwal is considered to be the one of the best milk cattle breeds of India. It was developed through artificial selection and domestication from ancestral wild cows. 54. Vernalization is best defined as answer B. Flowering is either quantitatively or qualitative dependent on exposure to low temperature. Vernalization is the induction of a plant flowering process by exposure to the prolonged cold of winter or by artificial equivalent. After fertilization, plants have acquired the ability to flower, but they may require additional seasonal cues or weeks of growth before they will actually flower. Absolute growth rate can be best defined as SRC measurement and the comparison of total growth rate per unit time. Quantitative comparisons between the growth of living system can also be made in two ways. First, measurement and the comparison of total growth per unit time is called the absolute growth rate. Second, the growth of the given system per unit time expressed on a common basis. Example, per unit initial parameter is called the relative growth rate. Cyclosporin A is commercially produced by the action of, आंसर हमारा ये होगा, ट्राइकोडर्मा फंगस. ये जितने भी बायोएक्टिव मॉलिक्यूल है उसके सिंपल और इजी ट्रिक भी हमने चैनल पर बना रखा है, तो आप वहाँ पे जाकर जरूर देखें. बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट वीडियो है. आपको आपके सारे जितने भी बायोएक्टिव मॉलिक्यूल हैं उसका फंक्शंस है इजी वे में लर्न हो जाएंगे. Trichoderma is a genus of fungi in the family Hypocraceaceae that is present in all soils, where they are the most prevalent culturable fungi. Many species in this genus can be characterized as opportunistic avirulent plant symbionts. Trichoderma species are the most widely used fungal biocontrol agents against fungal diseases of pulses, grapes, cotton, onion, carrot, peas, plums, maize, apple, etc. Select the incorrect match from the following. आंसर सी, स्ट्रेप्टोकाइनेज क्लैरिफिकेशन ऑफ बोटल जूस. तो ये हमारा गलत है. बाकी ए, बी और डी सही है. ये भी बायोएक्टिव मॉलिक्यूल्स है तो इंपॉर्टेंट हो जाता है, इसलिए वो वीडियो जरूर देख लें. ट्रिक वाला वीडियो हमारा बायोएक्टिव मॉलिक्यूल्स. ए ईस्ट इथेनॉल प्रोडक्शन, स्टैटिन्स ब्लड कोलेस्ट्रॉल लोअरिंग एजेंट और लाइपेज रिमूव आयली स्टेंस. स्ट्रेप्टोकाइनेज एस के इज अ thrombolytic medication and enzyme. As a medication is used to break down clots in some cases of myocardial infarction, heart attack, pulmonary embolism, and arterial thromboembolism. The type of heart attack is used in is is as ST elevation myocardial infarction, STEMI. Next, 58. The International Treaty of Montreal Protocol became effective in the year of, answer A, 1989. The Montreal Protocol is an international treaty designed to protect the ozone layer by phasing out the production of numerous substances that are responsible for ozone depletion. It was agreed on 16th September 1987 and entered into फोर्स ऑन 1 सितंबर 1989, यानी 2 साल बाद. Ahmad Khan, aged 57 years old, is a plastics sack manufacturer in Bangalore for the last 20 years. He has been associated with, answer D, Polyblend. A plastic sack manufacturer in Bangalore has managed to find the ideal solution to the ever-increasing problem of accumulating plastic waste. Ahmad Khan uh, Polyblend, a fine powder of recycled modified plastic, was developed then by his company. This mixture is mixed with the bitumen that is used to lay roads. In collaboration with RV College of Engineering and the Bangalore City Corporation, Ahmad Khan proved that blends of polyblend and bitumen, when used to lay roads, enhanced the bitumen's water repellent properties and helped to increase road life by a factor of 3. Read the following characters. First, diadelphous condition. Second, vexillary estivation. Third, non-endospermic seed. The above characters belongs to the family. Answer B, Fabaceae. सोलेनेसी, क्रूसीफेरी और ग्रेमी क्रूसीफेरी, ये सब के भी आप कैरेक्टर याद रखें. The Fabaceae or Leguminaceae, commonly known as the legume, pea or bean family, are a large and economically important family of Flowering plants, vexillary stivation in which one large upper petal falls over and cover the other smaller petals, and diadelphal condition, one stamen filament is separate from the fused nine, a condition referred to as diadelphous is characteristic feature of the family Fabaceae. Fabaceae seeds are endospermic. Most legume seeds are non-endospermic. Which of the following parameters are responsible for increasing the population? Answer C. Natality and immigration. Population density will increase if the number of births plus the number of immigrants B plus I is more than the number of deaths plus number of immigrants D plus E. Under normal conditions, births and deaths are the most important factors influencing population density. The other two factors assuming importance only under specific conditions. For instance, if a few habitat is just being colonized, immigration may contribute more significantly to population growth than birth rates. Select the correct match. फर्स्ट टैप रूट, सेकेंड फाइब्रस रूट. तो फर्स्ट यहाँ टैप रूट का होगा सेकेंड यानी मस्टर्ड, और सेकेंड फाइब्रस रूट का होगा मेज, व्हीट और शुगर क्रेन, यानी कि मोनोकॉट होंगे टैप फाइब्रस रूट, और टैप रूट होंगे डाइकॉट्स. टैप रूट मेजोरिटी ऑफ डाइकोट एग्जाम्पल मस्टर्ड, फाइब्रस रूट्स मेजोरिटी ऑफ मोनोकोट्स एग्जाम्पल व्हीट, और एडवेंटिटीज रूट में आते हैं ग्रास, मॉन्स्टेरा और बनियान ट्रीज. Which of the following is are characters of racemose inflorescence? First, basal flower are older while the apical flower are younger. Second, flower open from periphery to center, और फ्लोरल एक्सिस shows continuous growth. आंसर हमारा डी होगा. 1 2 3 तीनों जो है वो करेक्ट हैं. The arrangement of flowers on the floral axis is termed as inflorescence. Depending on whether the apex gets developed into a flower or continues to grow, two major types of inflorescence are defined: racemose and cymose. In racemose type of inflorescence, the main axis continues to grow. The flowers are borne laterally in an acropetal succession. यहाँ पे फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स है तो फिल का रीड कर लेते हैं. आंसर हमारा सी होगा. फर्स्ट यहाँ पे कर रहा है अरेंजमेंट ऑफ लेटरल रूट ऑन टैप रूट इज. आंसर ये एक्रोपीटल होगा. यहाँ पे अरेंजमेंट ऑफ फ्लावर ऑन फ्लोरल एक्सिस इज इन्फ्लोरेसेंस कॉल्ड एज इन्फ्लोरेसेंस. अरेंजमेंट ऑफ ओव्यूल इन ओवरी इज कॉल्ड एज प्लासेंटेशन. ओके, तो इस जो टेस्ट में है बहुत सारे मॉर्फोलॉजी ऑफ फ्लावरिंग प्लांट्स के बहुत सारे क्वेश्चन आ रहे हैं. एक बार मॉर्फोलॉजी ऑफ फ्लावरिंग प्लांट्स जरूर पढ़ना है एनसीईआरटी से. अरेंजमेंट ऑफ ओव्यूल इन द ओवरी इज कॉल्ड प्लासेंटेशन. In taproot, acropetal succession is the type in which younger roots are at apex and mature at the base. Inflorescence is the arrangement of the flower on a common axis. और ये जो क्वेश्चन है पीछे भी रिपीट कर चुका है पिछले मॉक टेस्ट में. Which of the following represent the examples of stem and leaf tendril respectively? Answer D. Cucumber and peach. Stem tendrils which develop from axillary buds are slender and spirally coiled and help plants to climb, such as in gourds यानी कि cucumber, pumpkin, watermelon and grapevines. Leaves are converted into tendrils from climbing as in peach, or into spines for defense as in cactus. ए, यहाँ फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स है तो फिल का रीड कर लेते हैं. आंसर हमारा सी होगा. इस ट्रॉपिक लेवल अ सर्टेन मास ऑफ लिविंग मटेरियल एट अ पर्टिकुलर टाइम कॉल्ड एज स्टैंडिंग क्रॉप. Breakdown of detritus into smaller particles, that this process is called fragmentation. और स्टैंडिंग स्टेट का क्या होगा डिफिनेशन आप जरूर बताएं एनसीईआरटी रीड करके कमेंट बॉक्स में. अभी वीडियो पॉज करके आप जरूर लिखें. ओके. Detritivores example earthworm break down detritus into smaller particles. This process is called fragmentation. The total amount or number of living things or of one kind of living thing such as an An uncut farm crop, the fish is a pond or organisms in an ecosystem in a particular area at any given time is called a standing crop. Identify the correct sequence of involvement according to ecological succession. Answer B. Pioneer, transitional and climax community. Explanation: the gradual and fairly predictable changes in the species composition of a given area is called ecological succession. During succession, some species in colonize an area, and whereas population of other species decline and even disappear. The entire sequence of communities that successively change in a given area are called seer. The individual transitional communities are termed serial stages or serial communities. Ultimately, a stable climax forest community is formed. The climax community remains stable as long as the environment remains unchanged. Robert Costanza and his colleagues have put a price tag of US 30 US $33 trillion a year on. Answer B. Ecosystem services. Explanation: Robert Costanza and his colleagues have very recently tried to put price tags on nature's life support services. Researchers have put an average price tag of US 33 trillion a year of these fundamental ecosystem services, which is largely taken for granted because they are free. This is nearly twice the value of the globe gross national product GNP, which is US 18 trillion. The male thallus of a bryophyte is given in the diagram below. Select the option giving incorrect information regarding it. तो यहाँ पे जो इनकरेक्ट होगा, यहाँ से होगा गिवन ब्रायोफाइट इज इक्विसेटम, तो ये गलत है। बाकी ए बी और डी सही है। गैमेटोफाइट फेज इज डोमिनेंट फेज। गेमा कप्स पार्टिसिपेट इन एसेक्सुअल रिप्रोडक्शन एंड इट कैन आल्सो reproduce by fragmentation. Two stages of plant body of bryophytes. First, protonema stage. It is creeping stage. Green, branching and filamentous stage developed from spores. B, leafy stage. It is upright, slender, bearing spirally arranged leaves. It develops from secondary protonema attached to soil by multicellular and branched rhizoids. Which of the following is correct with respect to plantae? First, in plants, antheridia are the female sex organ, तो ये गलत है, आर्चिगोनिया होते हैं। एक्सेप्ट एल्गी ऑल प्लांट्स बियर इम्ब्रियो, सही है। और थर्ड यहाँ पे है कि ऑल प्लांट्स आर हेट्रोस्पोरस, तो यहाँ आंसर डी होगा। ओनली डी जो है करेक्ट है, यानी कि एक्सेप्ट एल्गी ऑल प्लांट्स बियर इम्ब्रियो। Heterospory and vascular tissue is introduced to plant kingdom with the evolution Pteridophyta. Antheridia are the male reproductive organ in Bryophyte and Pteridophyte. Bryophyta onwards, zygote developed into multicellular diploid structure. In the diagram, a nucleosome is given. Select the option with correct identification. ओके, तो आंसर हमारा बी होगा। ए जो है यहाँ पे वो डीएनए है। बी लिंकर हिस्टोन और सी हिस्टोन ऑक्टामर। हिस्टोन ऑक्टामर, इट इज मेड अप ऑफ 8 molecules of histone proteins. Histone proteins are positively charged basic proteins. These proteins are rich in basic amino acids like lysines and arginines. Both of these amino acids possess positive charges in their side chain. Nucleosome DNA negatively charged wraps the positively charged histones octamer. In a nucleosome, about 200 base pairs are present in DNA. The regulation of gene expression in eukaryotes occurs at or include answer D, all of these, and translational level, transport of mRNA from nucleus to the cytoplasm, formation of primary transcript. Regulation of the gene expression refers to a very broad term that may occur at various levels. Considering sorry Considering that gene expression results in the formation of a polypeptide, it can be regulated at several levels. In eukaryotes, the regulation could be exerted at first transcription level, formation of primary transcript; second, processing level, regulation of splicing; and third, transport of mRNA from nucleus to the cytoplasm; fourth, translational level. During performing the Michelson and Stahl experiments, N15 was distinguished by N14 by answer A, centrifugation of CSCl density gradient. Michelson and Stahl first proved the semi-conservative replication of DNA in E. coli. Later on, it was also proved in plant and animal cells. E. coli divided in every 20 minutes. It means that the DNA in E. coli replicates in every 20 minutes. N15 is the heavy isotope, not a radioactive isotope of the nitrogen, which can be distinguished from the normal nitrogen N14N. DNA with N15 heavy DNA, DNA with N14 light DNA. DNA with N15 can be distinguished from the DNA with N14N by centrifugation in CSCl cesium chloride density gradient. Which of the following is correctly related to aerobic respiration? Answer D. The role of oxygen is limited to the termination stage of the process. 1 NADH is equivalent to 3 ATP. Oxygen is the terminal electron or proton acceptor in ETC. Cytochrome C is located towards IMS, that is on the outer side of inner membrane of the mitochondria. Pyruvic acid is the initial substrate of answer D, link reaction. Pyruvate dehydrogenase is an enzyme that catalyzes the reaction of pyruvate and a lipoamide to give the acetylated dihydrolipoamide and carbon dioxide. The conversion requires the coenzyme thiamine pyrophosphate. It is catalyst for conversion of pyruvic acid into acetyl-CoA in mitochondrial matrix. Which of the following statement is incorrect about photosynthesis? Answer is A. Increase in incident light beyond a point increases formation of chlorophyll and thus increase in photosynthesis is wrong statement. बाकी B C D सही है. At high light intensity, both C3 and C4 plants show increase in the rates of photosynthesis. C3 plants respond to higher CO2 concentration by showing increased rates of photosynthesis, leading to higher productivity. Has been used for some greenhouse crops such as tomatoes and bell pepper. D. Tropical plants have a higher temperature optimum than the plants adapted to temperature climates. Explanation: there is a linear relationship between incident light and CO2 fixation rates at low light intensities. At higher light intensities, gradually the rate does not so further increase as other factors become limiting. Increase in incidental light beyond a point causes the breakdown of chlorophyll and a decrease in photosynthesis. Which of the following gland structure participate in excretion in Periplaneta americana? Answer B. Malpighian tubule. Okay. Which the following gland structure participate? Okay, तो आंसर होगा B. Malpighian tubules. 100 to 150 यहाँ नंबर भी पूछता है, तो याद रखें 100 to 150 yellow colored three filamentous structures known as Malpighian tubules open at the junction of midgut and hindgut. These collect excretory waste from the hemolymph and pour the same into the hindgut. In the C4 cycle, the 4 carbon containing acids are formed in answer A. Mesophyll cell of maize leaf. Plants that are adapted to dry tropical regions have the C4 pathway. Though these plants have the C4 oxaloacetic acid as the first CO2 fixation product, they use the C3 pathway or the Calvin cycle as the main biosynthetic pathway. Since this is discovered by Hatch and Slack, hence known as Hatch and Slack pathway. The fixed nitrogen is exported in soybean to form in the form of answer B urides. Amides contain more nitrogen than the amino acid. They are transported to other parts of the plant via xylem vessels. In addition, along with the transpiration stream, the nodules of some plants, example soybean, export the fixed nitrogen as urides. Starch cannot be transported in plants because it is answer B present in the storage form. Starch is a polymer of glucose and is a plant storage polysaccharide. It is mobilized into glucose sucrose in the form of sugar transported through phloem during translocation. Since it is soluble and less reactive, it is an ideal form of sugar to transport. What is the chemical nature of lecithin? Answer B. Phospholipid. Lecithin is a fat that is essential in the cells of the body. It can be found in many foods, including soybeans and egg yolks. Lecithin is taken as a medicine and is also used in the manufacturing of medicines. Lecithin is used for treating memory disorders such as dementia and Alzheimer's disease. In contrast to fats, which function as fuel molecule, lecithin serves a structural role in cell membrane. It is found in all cells. Without lecithin and the other membrane phospholipids, cell would be unable to maintain their structure and probably would dissolve back into their surroundings. In which of the following structure cartilage is absent? Answer C. Between the cranial bones. Cartilage. Intercellular material is a solid, pliable and incompressible matrix is having a small cavities in which chond- uh, chondrocyte cells are present. Occurrence during embryonic stages, most of the endoskeleton was made up of cartilage, which is gradually replaced by bones. Other sites, tip of nose, outer ear, joints between vertebra, limbs, and hands. Vincristine and curcumin belongs to the category of answer D alkaloids. Vinblastine and vincristine are natural alkaloids isolated from the plant Vincia rosealine. Vinblastine binds to tubulin and inhibits microtubule formation, resulting in disruption of mitotic spindle assembly and arrest of tumor cells in the M phase of the cell cycle. Alkaloid and uh, sesquiterpenes from the root tuber of Curcuma longa in curcumin. What is the full form of EFB? Answer C. European Federation of Biotechnology. The European Federation of Biotechnology was established by European scientists in 1978. It is a non-profit federation of national biotechnology associations, learned societies, universities, scientific institutes, biotechnology companies, and individual biotechnologists working to promote biotechnology throughout Europe and beyond. Select the correct option regarding restriction endonuclease. P यहाँ पे है 900 restriction enzymes have been isolated from 200 strains. ये जो क्वेश्चन है पिछले मॉक टेस्ट में भी आ चुका है. Q the first restriction endonuclease was Hind second. और R यहाँ पे है each restriction endonuclease recognizes same palindromic sequence. तो आंसर हमारा ये होगा. All are correct. तो यहाँ पे ऑल आर करेक्ट नहीं हो सकता है. यहाँ पे जो पी यहाँ पे है 900 restriction enzymes have been isolated from over 200 strains. तो यहाँ पे 230 strains पे होते थे. ठीक है. तो यहाँ पे क्यू और आर जो है वो सही होना चाहिए और पी जो है गलत होगा, यानी कि आंसर सी होगा क्यू एंड आर इनकरेक्ट. तो आप कमेंट बॉक्स में जरूर बताएं यहाँ पे पी एंड क्यू एंड आर जो है करेक्ट है. एक मिनट. द फर्स्ट डिसीजन वाज हिंट सेकेंड. अच्छा, यहाँ पे ऑप्शन में है ऑल आर इनकरेक्ट. तो द फर्स्ट डिसीजन वाज हिंट सेकेंड द फर्स्ट. तो ये लगता है तीनों सही है यहाँ पे. द फर्स्ट आंसर सही यहाँ पे यही होगा, यानी कि सारे जो स्टेटमेंट है वो गलत हैं। द फर्स्ट रेस्ट्रिक्टेड इंडोन्यूक्लियोज हिंड सेकेंड, ओके, हिंड सेकेंड थे फर्स्ट रेस्ट्रिक्टेड इंडोन्यूक्लियोज। Whose the function depend on a specific DNA nucleotide sequence are isolated and characterized. 5 years later, it was found that hinds can always cut DNA molecules at a particular point by recognizing a specific sequence of 6 base pairs, or this specific base pair is known as the recognition sequence of हिंट सेकेंड। बिसाइड्स अच्छा, तो यहाँ पे 5 ईयर्स लेटर, ओके, तो ये जो है वो फर्स्ट रेसिस्टेंट न्यूक्लियोज नहीं था, यहाँ पे फर्स्ट एक्जोन्यूक्लियोज है लिखा हुआ, ठीक है, तो ये हमारा गलत हो जाएगा। द फर्स्ट रेस्ट्रिक्शन एंडोन्यूक्लियोज होना चाहिए, ठीक है। और यहाँ पे द स्पेसिफिक बेसिक इज नोन एज रिकॉग्निशन सीक्वेंस फॉर हिंट सेकेंड। Besides hint second, today we have more than 900 restriction enzymes that have been isolated from over 230 strains of bacteria, each of which recognize different recognition sequence. Each restriction nucleus recognizes specific palindromic sequence. Okay. Each registration इंडियन न्यूक्लियोज रिकॉग्नाइज सेम पैलोड्रोमिक सीक्वेंस, तो यहाँ पर सेम नहीं होगा, डिफरेंट होंगे, इसलिए पी क्यू एंड आर तीनों जो है इनकरेक्ट हैं। Cotton bollworms are controlled by certain proteins that are coded by, answer will be D, cry first SC and cry second AB, cry gene. These are uh, the various types of genes that code for the Bt toxin. Example 1, cry first SC and cry second AB code for proteins that control the cotton bollworm. Second यहाँ पे है cry first AB code for the proteins that control the corn borers. Which of the following organization is authorized for checking the validity of this genetics research? Answer C, Genetic Engineering Approval Committee. GESC is an Indian government organization which is authorized to make decisions on the validity of the research and the safety issues regarding the introduction of the genetically modified organisms for the public services as food, medicine, etc. Amoebiasis is caused by, answer A, protozoan. Entamoeba histolytica, a protozoan parasite in the large intestine. Amoebiasis, amoebic dysentery, mode of infection, contamination of food and water by houseflies carrying the parasite mechanically from the passage of a infected person to food. Sign and symptoms: abdominal pain and cramps, constipation, to stools with excess mucus and blood clots. 89. During gene therapy, gene inserted for, answer A, treating especially hereditary diseases. Gene therapy is called, the gene therapy is a collection of methods that allows correction of a gene defect that has been diagnosed in a child embryo. Here genes are inserted into a person's cells and tissues to treat a genetic disease. Correction of a genetic defect involves delivery of a normal gene into the individual or embryo to take over the function of and compensate for the non-functional gene. 90. Last question of bio. In which of the following sarcolemma is present? Answer B, muscle fiber. Each muscle fiber is covered by a plasma membrane known as sarcolemma. Muscle fiber is a syncytium multinucleated condition and is having cytoplasm, sarcoplasm, endoreticulum, endoplasmic reticulum called sarcoplasmic reticulum, storehouse of chemical ions, and a large number of parallelly arranged filaments in the sarcoplasm, myofilaments और myofibrils. ये सारे थे हमारे बायो क्वेश्चन। वीडियो अच्छा लगा तो प्लीज़ लाइक कर देना, जो नए व्यूवर्स हो वो प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब कर देना, ऐसे ही वीडियो आपके आते रहेंगे सारे मॉक टेस्ट के। ओके, तो अब हम केमिस्ट्री और फिजिक्स से स्टार्ट करेंगे। तो केमिस्ट्री में आप जो है BICS इंडिया जो केमिस्ट्री का चैनल है वहाँ से आप इसका फुल डिटेल वीडियो देख लें, और फिजिक्स के लिए आप सिद्धार्थ सर का जो चैनल है हेल्पिंग हैंड या फिर RG एकेडमी में आपको फिजिक्स केमिस्ट्री दोनों के सॉल्यूशन मिल जाएगा, डिटेल सॉल्यूशन। तो वहाँ आप देख कर ही आप यहाँ पे करें, क्योंकि हम यहाँ पे कुछ क्वेश्चन और आंसर पे सीधे आएंगे। एक्सप्लेनेशन यहाँ पे केवल शो कर देंगे, इसलिए आप प्लीज़ वहाँ पे पहले देख लें, उसके बाद ही ये आप केमिस्ट्री का ये वीडियो देखें। तो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, कैलकुलेट पार्शियल प्रेशर ऑफ बी एट इक्विलिब्रियम इन द फॉलोइंग इक्विलिब्रियम। आंसर विल बी ए 2 और ये रहे एक्सप्लेनेशन। एक्सप्लेनेशन देखने के लिए आप वीडियो पॉज कर सकते हैं। राइट द IPAC नेम ऑफ द फॉलोइंग कंपाउंड। आंसर विल बी डी 3 फॉर्माइल मिथाइल हेक्सेन 1,6 डाइअल। The element having electronic configuration Kr 4d10 4f14 5s2 5b6 5d2 6s2 belongs to. Answer will be C, D block. What is the melting point of benzene if delta H fusion equal to 9.95 and delta S fusion is equal to 35.7 joule per kilomole? Answer will be 278.7 Kelvin. Which of the following series contains electrophiles only? Answer C, LCl3 SO3 Cl plus. Which of the following will react most vigorously with water? Answer will be D, rubidium. Delta F U naught of formation of CH4 at certain temperature is minus 393 kilojoule per mole. The value of delta F H naught is. Answer will be C, less than delta F U naught. If degree of dissociation of 2-MCH3COH is 10%, then degree of dissociation of this acetic acid in 3 molar 3 CH3COONA solution will be. Answer will be less than 10%. Peak out incorrect statement. Answer will be D. The size range of colloidal particles is 10 to 2000 एंगस्ट्रॉम. ये इनकरेक्ट है, बाकी ए बी सी सही है. colloidal salts are heterogeneous. Colloids carry positive or negative charge. Colloid salts show Tyndall effect. Boron does not form B3 plus ion because. Answer will be A. It has a small size and high ionization energy. Which of the following statement is incorrect? Answer will be A. Standard Gibbs free energy change is always zero at equilibrium. Which type of isomerism is shown by 1,2-dimethyl cyclopropane? Answer A. Geometrical isomerism. The decreasing order of second ionization energy of potassium, calcium and barium is. Answer will be A. सबसे ज़्यादा potassium, then calcium, then barium. Each of the following statements are correct. First, colligative properties do not depend upon the nature of solid. Second, a plot of partial vapor pressure against mole fraction will be linear. Third, vapor pressure of solution increases on account of hydrogen bonding. Select the correct answer using the codes given below. Answer will be A, 1 and 2 is correct. Monomer related to nylon 2 nylon 6 is. Answer will be B, glycine. Which of the following statements is incorrect? Answer will be C. 0.1 m NaCl solution and 0.1 m sugar solution have the same boiling point. बाकी S, B और D सही है. और solution containing non-volatile solutes freezes at lower temperature than the pure solvent. B. A solution containing non-volatile solute boils at higher temperature than the pure solvent. और D यहाँ पे है osmosis cannot take place without a semi permeable membrane. Pick out the incorrect statement. यहाँ पे आंसर होगा डी, यानी कि व्हाइट फॉस्फोरस इज मोर रिएक्टिव बट लेस सॉल्युबल इन CH2 एंड अदर ऑर्गेनिक सॉल्वेंट्स देन रेड फॉस्फोरस. ये गलत है, बाकी ए बी सी जो है वो करेक्ट स्टेटमेंट है. एक्सेप्ट नाइट्रोजन ऑल द एलिमेंट्स ऑफ ग्रुप 15 एग्जिस्ट इन एलोट्रोपिक मॉडिफिकेशन. बी यहाँ पे है ओनली एट हाई टेम्परेचर ग्रेटर देन 1070 Kelvin phosphorus vapors dissociates into P2 molecules, or red phosphorus is obtained by heating white phosphorus at 540 to 570 Kelvin in the absence of air for several hours. Consider the following sequence of reactions. आंसर होगा यहाँ पे द फाइनल प्रोडक्ट जेड क्या होगा. आंसर हम पी होगा. बी, आंसर बी पैरा पे. para ClC6H4 CH2 CH2 CH2OH. Which of the following is not correct? आंसर बी H2O2 इज वीक बेस, ये हमारा गलत है। बाकी ए सी और डी सही है। H2O2 oxidizes Fe second to Fe third. H2O2 can be obtained by the electrolysis of dilute H2SO4. H2A2 H2O2 reduces Mn7 to Mn second. Which of the following oxides is basic? Answer A MnO. Which of the following reactions is employed to produce ozone in the laboratory? Answer D. Passage of silent electric discharge through oxygen. The solubility of terms of KSP for A3B aqueous is. Answer will be B. KSP by 27 to the power 1 by 4. Which one of the following ions has the highest magnetic moment? Answer A. Mn2 plus. Which response given the correct coordination number and oxidation number of the transition metal atom in CuNH3 whole twice H2 whole twice Cl2 plus? Answer D. Cn equal to 6 or On oxidation number equal to plus 3. For the reaction AgCN2 minus aqueous gives Ag plus aqueous, then the Kc at Ag is aqueous plus 2Cl minus aqueous at 25 degrees Celsius is 4 into 1 minus 19. Then Ag plus in solution, which was originally 0.1 m in KCN and 0.03 m in AgNO3 will be. Answer will be D. 77.5 into 10 to the power minus 18 m. Carborundum is obtained when silica is heated at high temperature with. Answer A. Carbon. 27. Which of the following does not reduce tolerance reagent? Answer D. C6H5NO2. Which of the following pentahalides is not formed? Answer A. NF5. On reduction with hydrogen, 3.6 gram of an oxide of metal left 3.2 gram of metal. If the atomic weight of metal is 64, the simplest formula of the oxide is. Answer C. M2O. A halogen compound X on alkaline hydrolysis followed by acidification gives acetic acid. The compound X is. Answer CH3CCl3. Which one of the following noble gas is obtained by radioactive disintegration? Answer C. Radon. Which of the following statements is not correct about noble gases? Answer C. They do not form any chemical compounds. The number of Faradays required to reduce 4 gram equivalent of Cu2 plus 2 Cu metal will be. Answer D. 4. In the following sequence of reactions, identify the final product. Answer D. Pentane 1,3-diol. The species having tetrahedral shape is. Answer D. NaCl4 2 minus. Consider the following substances. First, propane 2-ol. Second, propanone. Third, 2-methyl propene. और the correct sequence of increasing order of boiling point is. Answer A. 1 सबसे ज़्यादा, उसके बाद 2, उसके बाद 3. Methyl cyanide on hydrolysis gives. Answer B. Acetic acid. The oxidation number of phosphorus in ATP adenosine triphosphate is. Answer C. 5. Consider the following haloalkanes: CH3F, CH3Cl, CH3Br, CH3I. The correct sequence of increasing order of dipole moments is. Answer will be C. सबसे ज़्यादा 2 होगा, उसके बाद 1, then 3, then 4. The catalyst used in the manufacture of polythene Ziegler method is polyethylene. Answer will be titanium tetrachloride and triethyl aluminum, यानी Ziegler Natta catalyst. Addition of CdCl2 to AgCl yields solid solutions where the divalent cations CD2 plus occupy the Ag plus sites. Which one of the following statement is true? Answer A. The number of cationic vacancies is equal in number to that of divalent ions added. Which solution will have the lowest pH value? Answer B. 0.10 mHNO3. When an electron of charge E and mass m moves with velocity v around the nuclear charge Z describing the circular orbit, the potential energy of the electron is answer B minus Z square by R. A bottle of dry ammonia NH3 and a bottle of dry hydrogen chloride connected through a long tube are opened simultaneously at both ends. The white ammonium chloride ring first formed will be answer will be near the hydrogen chloride bottle. Two elements X atomic mass equal to 75 and Y atomic mass equal to 16 combined to give a compound having 75.8% of X. The formula of the compound is answer D X2Y3. ओके तो ये सारे थे केमिस्ट्री क्वेश्चंस। अब आते हैं फिजिक्स पे। वीडियो को जिसने लाइक नहीं किया प्लीज़ लाइक कर देना और जो नए व्यूअर्स हो प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब कर देना। और फिजिक्स के लिए आप डिटेल वीडियो सिद्धार्थ सर के हेल्पिंग हैंड चैनल पर देख सकते हैं या फिर आरजे एकेडमी जो है अजमेर उसका यूट्यूब चैनल पे आप देख सकते हैं। ओके तो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन यहाँ पे हम केवल क्वेश्चन और आंसर करेंगे और जो है सोल्यूशन हम शो कर देंगे। उसके लिए आप सोल्यूशन देखने के लिए आप वीडियो पॉज करके देख सकते हैं। क्वेश्चन फर्स्ट यहाँ पे है द रेशियो बिटवीन टोटल एक्सेलरेशन ऑफ द इलेक्ट्रॉन in singly ionized helium atom and hydrogen atom both in ground state is answer B 8. Next, in Mosley equation under root nu equal to a into z minus b which was derived from the observation made during the bombardment of the metal target with X-rays. Answer will be B. Both A and B are independent of the metal. A thin rod of length L is lying along the x-axis with its end at x equal to 0 and x equal to L. Its linear density mass per unit length varies with x as k into x by L to the power n, where n can be 0 or any positive number. If the position xcm of the center of the mass of the rod is plotted against n, which of the following graphs best approximates the dependence of x center of mass on n? Answer will be B. Next, two particles of mass 1 kg and 3 kg move towards each other under their mutual force of attraction. No other force acts on them. When the relative velocity of approach of two particles is 2 meter per second, their center of mass has a velocity of 0.5 meter per second. When the relative velocity of approach becomes 3 meter per second, the velocity of the center of mass will be answer will be 0.5 meter per second. A small block is shot into each of the four tracks as shown below. Each of the tracks risks to the same height. The speed with which the block enters the track is the same in all cases at highest point of the track. The normal direction is maximum in answer A. The ratio of angular speeds of minute hand and hour hand of a watch is answer will be 12 is to 1. An immersion heater with electrical resistance 7 ohm is immersed in 0.1 kg of water at 20 degrees Celsius for 3 minutes. If the flow of current is 4 ampere, what is the final temperature of the water assuming whole of heat produced is consumed in water? A specific heat capacity of water equal to 4.2 10 to power 3 joule per kg per Kelvin. Answer will be D 68 degrees Celsius. Shown below a graph of current versus applied voltage for a diode approximately what is the resistance of the diode for applied voltage of -1 volt? Answer will be B my infinity. The region a moving coil galvanometer cannot be used with an alternating current is that answer will be D. The net magnetic field produced is zero. Which particle will have a minimum frequency of revolution when projected with the same velocity and perpendicular to a magnetic field? Answer will be A. Li plus. If a charged spherical conductor of the radius 10 cm has potential V at a point distant 5 cm from its center, then the potential at a point distant 15 cm from the center will be answer will be 2 by 3 V. Find the force of interaction of two dipoles if the two dipole moments are parallel to each other and placed at a distance x apart. Answer will be A. 3p1 p2 by 4 pi epsilon naught x to the power 4. The acceleration due to gravity on the moon is 1/6 of the acceleration due to gravity on the earth. If the average density of the moon is 3/5 that of earth, the moon's radius in terms of earth's radius re each. Answer will be 0.27 re. A space station is at a height equal to the radius of earth if v is the escape velocity of on the surface of the earth. The same on the space station is times v. Answer will be C. 1 by under root 2. Three identical rods ABCD and PQ are joined as shown. P and Q are midpoints of AB and CD respectively. Ends A, B, C and D are maintained at 0 degrees Celsius, 100 degrees Celsius, 30 degrees, 60 degrees Celsius respectively. The direction of heat flow in PQ is answer will be A from P to Q. Calculate the heat absorbed by a system in going through the cyclic process shown in the diagram. Okay, answer will be 31.4 joule. In the thermodynamics process, the pressure of a fixed mass of gas is changed in such a manner that the gas releases 20 joule of heat and 8 joule of work is done on the gas. If the internal energy of the gas was 30 joule, then the final internal energy will be answer will be 18 joule. A long solenoid of length L has a mean diameter D. It has n layers of winding of n turns each. If it carries a current I, the magnetic field at its center will be answer will be C, independent of D. Four very long wires are arranged as shown in the figure so that their cross section forms a square with connection at the end so that current I flow through all four wires. The length of each side of the formed a square cross section is B. The magnetic field at the central point P, center of the square, answer will be 2 mu naught I by pi B. The ratio of intensity of magnetization and magnetizing field is called answer D, magnetic susceptibility. A ball is dropped vertically from a height d above the ground. It hits the ground and bounces up vertically to height d by 2, regulating subsequent motion and air resistance. Its velocity v varies with height h above the ground as. Answer will be A. ये भी जो क्वेश्चन है पिछले मॉक टेस्ट में रिपीट कर चुका है. The angle which the velocity vector of a projectile thrown with a velocity v at an angle theta to the horizontal will make with the horizontal after time t of its being thrown up is answer will be D, tan inverse v sin theta minus gt by v cos theta. A bob of pendulum of mass 50 gram is suspended by a string with the roof of an elevator. If the lift is falling with a uniform acceleration of 5 meters per second square, The tension in the string is, answer will be C, 0.25 Newton. The acceleration due to gravity on the planet A is 9 times the acceleration due to gravity on planet B. A man jumps to a height of 2 meters on the surface of A. What is the height of jump by the same on the planet B? Answer will be 18 meter. The half-life of a radioactive substance is 30 minutes. The time in minutes taken between 40% decay and 85% decay of the same radioactive substance is answer D 60. Mass of the nucleons together in a heavy nucleus is answer will be A greater than mass of nucleus. Two SHM are represented by the equations x1 equal to 20 sine phi pi t plus pi by 4 and x2 equal to 10 sine pi by t pi 10 sine pi t plus under root 3 cos phi pi t. The ratio of amplitude of the two motions is answer will be 1. A simple pendulum is taken to 64 km above the Earth's surface. Its time period will be answer will be A increases by 1%. The threshold frequency for certain metal is 3.3 into 10 to power 14 Hz. If the light of 8.2 into 10 to power 14 Hz frequency is incident on the metal, then cut off voltage of the photoelectric current will be answer will be C 2 volt. If K1 and K2 are maximum kinetic energies of photoelectrons emitted when light of wavelength lambda 1 and lambda 2 respectively incident on a metallic surface, if lambda 1 equal to 3 lambda 2, then answer will be K1 is less than K2 by 3. Let a steel bar of length L, breadth B and depth D be loaded at a center by load W. Then the sag of bending of beam is Y equal to Young's modulus of steel. Answer will be WL cube by 4 BD cube Y. The pressure at the bottom of a liquid tank is not proportional to the answer will be area of the liquid surface. The refractive index of the material of a concave lens is mu. It is immersed in a medium of refractive index mu1. A parallel beam of light is incident on the lens. The path of the emergent rays when mu1 is greater than mu is. Answer will be C. Two convex lenses of power 2D and 5D are separated by distance 1 by 3 meter. The power of the optical system formed is answer will be D plus 3D. Four similar point masses M each are symmetrically placed on the circumference of a disk of mass M and radius R. Moment of inertia of the system about an axis passing through center O and perpendicular to the plane of the disk will be answer will be D m r square by 2 plus 4 m r square. A right triangular plate ABC of mass M is free to rotate in the vertical plane about a fixed horizontal axis through A. It is supported by a string such that the side AB is horizontal. The direction at support A is answer will be B 2 mg by 3. A common emitter transistor amplifier, the audio signal voltage across the collector is 3V. The resistance of collector is 3 kilo ohm. If current gain is 100 and the base resistance is 2 kilo ohm, the voltage and the power gain of the amplifier is answer will be C 150 and 15,000. If A equal to 1 and B equal to 0, then in terms of Boolean algebra A plus B bar equal to answer will be C A. 39. The coefficient of volume expansion of glycerin is 49 into 10 to power minus 5 per Kelvin. The fractional change in its density for a 30 degree Celsius rise in temperature will be answer A 1.45 into 10 to power minus 2. The internal and external diameters of a hollow cylinder are measured with the help of vernier calipers. Their values are 4.23 plus minus 0.01 centimeter and 3.87 plus minus 0.01 centimeter respectively. The thickness of the wall of the cylinder is answer will be 0.18 plus minus 0.02 centimeter. In the ideal double-slit experiment, when a glass plate refractive index 1.5 of thickness T is introduced in the path of one of the interfering beams wavelength lambda, the intensity at the position where the central maximum occurred previously remains unchanged. The minimum thickness of the glass plate is answer A 2 lambda. In Young's double-slit experiment, the fringe width is found to be 0.4 mm if the whole apparatus is immersed in water at water of refractive index 4/3 without disturbing the geometrical arrangement. The new fringe width will be answer A 0.30 mm. A transverse wave is represented by y equal to a sin omega t minus kx. For what value of the wavelength is the wave velocity equal to the maximum particle velocity? Answer will be C 2 pi a. The tension in a wire is decreased by 19%. The percentage decrease in frequency will be answer will be 10%. A wind powered generator converts wind energy into electrical energy. Assume that the generator converts a fixed fraction of wind energy intercepted by its blades into electrical energy. For wind speed v, the electrical power output will be proportional to answer will C V Q. ओके, तो सारा थे हमारे फिजिक्स केमिस्ट्री बायो क्वेश्चंस। वीडियो को लाइक जरूर कर देना और जो नए व्यूअर से प्लीज सब्सक्राइब कर देना। ओके, और जिन्हें पीडीएफ चाहिए सारे मॉक टेस्ट के, एक बार डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स चेक करके आप सारे पीडीएफ ले सकते हैं। और इस टेस्ट के पीडीएफ आपको टेलीग्राम पीडीएफ क्वेश्चंस और आंसर का ही पीडीएफ अब आपको मिल जाएगा। आप टेलीग्राम चैनल पे देख सकते हैं। ओके, थैंक्स फॉर वाचिंग, हैव अ नाइस डे।